In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to accept transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. Let's get started. Someone has sent you tickets through Ticketmaster. The first thing you need to do is check where you receive the transfer notification. This could be in your email inbox or as a text message on a phone. Once you look at the message, open it and click on the Accept Tickets button or link. This will redirect you to the Ticketmaster website where you will be asked to sign into your existing account or create a new account if you don't already have one. It's very important that you sign in using the same email address where the ticket transfer was sent. If you use a different email address, the tickets may not appear in your account. After signing in successfully, Ticketmaster will process the transfer and add the tickets to your account. You can then click on View Tickets to access them immediately. If you're using the Ticketmaster mobile app, simply open the app and navigate to My Events section located at the bottom of the screen to find your accepted tickets. Once the transfer has been completed, the original sender will also receive a notification confirming that you have successfully accepted the tickets. That's all. This is how you can easily accept tickets on Ticketmaster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.